Ready? Go! So many questions about pronunciation, so it's time to get acquainted with it. Let's start with unvoiced consonants. A consonant at the end of the word is always unvoiced. Pab. Can you hear pab instead of pab? Клуб, хлеб, Киев, утюг, друг. Before an unvoiced consonant, a voiced consonant becomes unvoiced. Юбка. K is unvoiced, so b becomes unvoiced. Автобус, встреча, вторник. The combination of letters ch, t and ch, n sometimes read as st and shn. Что, что-то, что-нибудь, чтобы. However, if the word doesn't include что in it, ch reads as ch, such as почта, почти, мечта, точно, коричневый. But you just need to memorize these exceptions. Конечно, скучно, нарочно. And finally, sometimes ch reads as sh, such as in the following examples. Счёт, насчёт, счастье, считать. If the vowel O is unstressed, it's pronounced as A. Москва, окно, молоко, хорошо. The second one. There is a difference between pronunciations voiced я and unvoiced я. Мяч, мячи. Мяч я is voiced, мячи я unvoiced. Яблоко, яйцо, ноябрь, заяц. There is the same situation with voiced and unvoiced е. Лес, лиса. Лето, летать. Век, весна. Pronunciation of я, е at the end of the word. If я or е are unstressed at the end of the word, they are pronounced as я and е. Баня, Ваня, дядя, белое, море. The consonant letter g between the two vowels or between o and e is often read as the letter v. Сегодня, кого, его, того, этого, ничего, всего, хорошего, синего, первого, второго, третьего, моего, твоего, вашего, нашего. But also not always, sorry. You must memorize this. Много, дорого, погода, договор, строго. That's it. Like this video and see you soon. So, неправильно я прочитала the letter V. Нормально было? V.